Welcome to Special Car Stoke. My name is Umesh Samani. I'm the proprietor of Specialist Car Stoke. We do a full walk around video of every single car to show you how nice all our cars are. So please enjoy the walk around video of this car and I'll tell you why you should be buying your car from me. What an absolutely gorgeous Mazda MX5 we have here. This is the MX5 Coupe Roadster Sport 2 litre, finished in true red, looking absolutely gorgeous. It really is a outstanding example all the way around. Very well cherished. A great fun car. 2 litre engine, 160 brake horsepower, so very lively little car. Compact little boot, quite deep, a couple of cases in there. Nice weekend car, beautifully clean in there, not been abused, nice and clean. Just look at it, just gorgeous. No dents, no scratches, scuffs anywhere down the side of the car. It's a 2007 on a 57 plate, November 2007. For its age, it is absolutely beautiful, as you can see. Very straight on the bodywork all the way around. All the wheels are in great condition, no major damage, no big chunks knocked out of these at all. Matching Bridgestone tyres all the way around. Again, all the front, just look at the bodywork. No scratches, no major stone chips at all. What a lovely car. Of course, it's got the metal folding hard top. Just look at this gorgeous interior. It's got the grey leather upholstery, which is very rare as the last owner had it fitted with grey upholstery. Normally all these cars come with black upholstery, so this makes this a very unique car. All the leather in great condition, no rips, no tears, no burns. Little storage cubby hole in there. Cup holders. Again, just look at the upholstery. No damage, no scratches, no scuffs. Again, the door trim's in lovely condition. Non-smoker's car. Nice and clear on the dashboard, no damage at all there. Just 36,105. 36,105. Remember, this is a 2007 car. Multifunction leather sport steering wheel. Stereo CD MP3 compatible. Switches for the electric hood. Climate control. And the wonderful heated seats. 6-speed manual gearbox. Very easy, very quick for the hood. Quick release. Press the button and within seconds the hood just nicely folds away. Just look at the speed of that. Hey presto. And again, back up again with a flick of a switch, making this car a very usable all year round car. Great open air motoring, looking gorgeous with the hood down. The last owner bought it in October 2015. Two previous owners. great value for money. Rollover protection, wind deflector, just imagine driving down the road in this little beauty. We've got a complete book pack, 2 sets of keys, full HPI checked and clear. Read about our raving fans reviews and you'll see why customers come back to us time and time again. Specialist Car Stoke, based in Stoke-on-Trent, a multi-award winning dealer. We make buying and selling cars a very simple, easy process. Click and reserve this car 24/7 or give us a call on 01782 822 700. So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple. We've been established since 1997 and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, or exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get updates of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you, give us a call 01782 822 700.